Welcome to Gaokong, your partner for pharma-grade fermentation lines. 10L Laboratory Bioreactor, SUS 304/316 stainless steel, mirror polished interior, full temperature PHDO control. $100L pilot scale tank, PLC-driven, auto-sampling CIP/SIP ready magnetic or mechanical stir 220V/400V options. 1000L production fermenter, 316L stainless steel, double jacket heating/cooling, peristaltic feed and defoamer pumps, pressure and dew sensors, Modular. Unified control system lets you switch from 10L to 1000L with a single HMI, supporting GMP-compliant data logging. No dead-angle design, mirror-polished walls, magnetic or mechanical impellers for gentle cell handling. In-situ sterilization, SIP, and automated cleaning, CIP, meet pharma GMP standards. Trusted by dozens of pharmaceutical manufacturers, improves batch consistency greater than 99% and boosts productivity 3-5 times. Our R&D team provides full process development, scale-up consulting, and validation support. Contact us now for a customized solution from 10L to 1000L. Accelerate your drug manufacturing pipeline.